Jenny wants to implement ISO in her company, and she is the management representative. But she's not sure which course to choose.
Should I take the internal auditor course or the external auditor course?
Many professionals face the same question. So to help Jenny decide, let's break it down. Let's take a closer look at the Internal Auditor course first. The Internal Auditor course is a 2-day practical program focused on implementing and conducting internal audits within your organization. Participants will learn ISO standard requirements, the PDCA approach, how to implement a management system, and how to conduct effective internal audits to improve organizational performance.
I'm the management representative. Should I attend this course?
Yes, absolutely. This course is designed for management representatives and key personnel involved in ISO implementation.
But what exactly does an internal auditor do?
Now, let's explore the key roles of an internal auditor within an organization. One of their key responsibilities is to monitor compliance. They also help identify gaps within processes and systems. To evaluate whether systems are working effectively, internal auditors conduct regular internal audits. And most importantly, internal auditors also help improve processes through continuous improvement. To carry out these responsibilities confidently, internal auditors need proper training and practical audit knowledge. For someone like Jenny, this course provides the skills and confidence needed to perform internal audit responsibilities effectively. Let's recap. Internal auditors help organizations monitor compliance, identify gaps, conduct audits, and improve processes. And with proper training, they can perform these responsibilities effectively and confidently. At Learners Hub, we offer a wide range of ISO internal auditor training courses to support your professional development. Start your internal auditor journey with Learners Hub today.